Where are we going?
So the Blitz is fast approaching and we've been working extremely hard and we've been doing so well. But today I just said, let's just have some fun. So I'm going to be taking them to Splash Valley to let the hair down and just run free in the water.
I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive, it's why I need number. It's your
Are you going to do backflip in there for me, no?
No, I can't care about this one.
You are though, look, look, look.
That octopus is made for pushing.
Oh my God.
Actually, no, I'm a must-say for this one because it's the smallest.
The smallest. Today is just all about fun. I want to, as a team, it's so important to have fun because training can get hard and it can get boring sometimes, so you have to mix it in a little bit. You ready? Yeah! Well, let's go, let's go, let's go. When you relax and enjoy certain things, you let your walls down, and sometimes when you let your walls down, you kind of learn something about, you know, your other teammates, and it's very crucial, you know, part of building a team.
There go!
Let's go!
Don't not just go! You two, just come on, swim!
You're fine. Look, you're going great. You're halfway. Ready?
They were all like cheering for me to go, and like they were like doing countdowns, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I kept on getting like scared.
No, I can't.
You can't. That's it. Just get in.
I was a bit scared to go down.
No, she's telling you to go on our back. That's way harder.
3, 2, 1. You're fine. You're fine.
Okay. See, this is already cute.
You're so fine. There you go.
And now we're gonna make our way across. Okay.
Ain't no shame, ladies, do your thing. Just make sure you ahead of the game.
It's about challenging yourself and getting past that little wall. We want the others to kind of encourage them, which they did.
Zoe, come on, you're almost there. You're literally there. You need to
I'm proud of Zoe for actually facing her fear because she actually did it and she did really good. And she was so proud of herself, and I was too. I was worried about my lashes coming off, but basically what I did was, this might be bad, I don't advise anyone to do this, but I put hairspray on my lashes. I put hairspray on it and then it didn't fall off, so it worked.
And make them say wow.
This is harder than it looks.
Being up there, absolutely snotting myself on the platforms, it was hilarious.
Yeah, he kept on slipping everywhere, so like, yeah, it was really funny.
He shook the whole inflatable because he like just slammed in the water, and I had to stand like that because he was shaking the whole inflatable. I was like, who's that, who's that? And I just see Jordan in the water going like this, smiling.
The scariest bit was probably on the swing.
Oh, hell no! Look at them!
Then Zoe challenged herself again with going down the big massive slide, and there was about 4 of us like encouraging her from the top. Then she had the girls in the bottom.
I think that's what motivated me to go down as well, because I don't think if Jordan and everyone wasn't there, I don't think I would have went on it because I was way too scared.
I kind of brought a lot of the kids together for this one purpose, this one goal, is to try and give Zoe encouragement. What do you think of today?
Decent, you know.
Yeah, missing out, do you think?
Yeah, to be honest, I can't swim at all, man.
Why is that a thing? Why weren't you taught how to swim?
No one in Nigeria really swims at all. Okay. My parents didn't swim, my sisters, my brothers, they never really knew how to swim.
But you know what? We're going to have many other things that we're going to do together, and this is not the only part we're going to have fun, so don't feel down, you know? You're one of us. I'm done myself. I've literally just embarrassed myself too many times. My back's sore. I can't keep my foot out there, so yeah, that's it.
First, you put your mousse on your hand. Yeah, give me some mousse. Then, you flip your hair like that. You put it on your hair. You put it on your hair to hold the mousse, to hold your curls actually.
And to define them as well.
Yeah.
What are you doing with your hair?
The mousse. You gotta define the curls because these are very hard to maintain.
Yeah.
So you gotta they're called goddess braids. So you gotta like maintain them.
Yeah,
properly, or else you're gonna look a bit raggedy. I can't lie.
Yeah.
It normally takes me, like, if I were to get normal braids, like not any boho or anything, it would take me like 4 hours, I would say. But since this time I got boho braids, and you have to add curls for the boho braids, it takes like a little bit longer. So I think this style took me like 6 to 7 hours. But even though it takes a long time, I love getting my braids done. I enjoy getting them done, and it's something that I'll never stop doing, honestly.